శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd Skandham, Tritiya Skandham, Sutta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Swayambhuva Manu entered into Kardama Prajapati's ashramam. By then, Kardama Prajapati just finished his homam and relaxing in one place. Swayambhuva Manu did see Kardama Prajapati and how Kardama Prajapati is looking. Though he has done severe tapasya for several thousands of years, but his body is still looking so fresh because he could see Paramatma, he could hear Paramatma. Because of Paramatma's nectar-like words helping Kardama Prajapati to keep up his body fresh. Now Swayambhuva Manu, having a darshanam of such great Kardama Prajapati, he came all the way to Kardama Prajapati and then did namaskaram to Nrudevam Pranatam. Swayambhuva Manu did namaskaram to Kardama Prajapati's feet. Then Kardama has seen Swayambhuva Manu. He appreciated his arrival there. Saparyaya Pratyagrhnat Pratinandya. And he respected Swayambhuva Manu very well. He gave a very warm welcome to Swayambhuva Manu and now saying to Manu like this, O Manu, Varagunakara Bhagavad Bhakti Yuktudavaina Tvadiya Paryatanamella Sishta Parigraha Dushta Nigraha Mulakuraku Kada Punya Purusha. O Manu, I realize that you have been going around the entire country to make sure good people are protected and bad people are punished. Harehe Shaktihi, I realize that Paramatma's divine Shakti in your form is going around the country and doing all these good activities. Paramatma's Shakti is there in you. Also, you should know that Sriman Narayana, as and how it is needed, he would become Surya, or he would put his entire of his Shakti in Surya, Indra, Agni, Vayu, Chandra, Yama, Varuna. In those forms, through those forms also Paramatma takes care of this entire universe. Now Kardama Prajapati is saying, O Manu, Paramatma's divine Shakti is there in you. That is why Tasmai Shuklayate Namaha. I do namaskaram to Sriman Narayana. I do namaskaram to you who is the form of Paramatma's Shakti. Like that, Kardama Prajapati responding to Swayambhuva Manu. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.